Are you tired of Fiverr disabling your account over and over again? Let me show you the real reason it happens and how to stop it permanently.
If you're new to my channel, my name remains the same. I'm Ebenezer, a digital architect. Kindly subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell.
First, never use random or unknown browsers. Fiverr is sensitive to device tracking. Use trusted browsers like Vivaldi, Firefox, or Brave. Secondly, avoid free VPNs. Fiverr detects most of them and will flag your account. A premium VPN is safer and more stable. The premium VPN I recommend is Avira. It's not common like most VPNs, and that makes your Fiverr account stronger and harder to disable.
Avira is powerful, secure. It helps Fiverr see your account as stable and authentic.
Setting it up may look complex, but don't worry. I've broken everything down step by step for you.
Click the link in my description to get Avira VPN for as low as just 5k naira for 3 months. It works on multiple devices, super affordable.
For more Fiverr growth and account safety tips, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Your success is my mission.